Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. Today taking a look into the charts, and yeah, I must say everything closed quite well. The S&P 500, gold, the Nasdaq, dollar very weak. We will take a look. Well, first we start off with the S&P 500, closed near the all-time high, highest weekly close ever. It's just looking good. It's just looking perfect. Thing is, I am scared for this trend line over here. So gotta look out with that. And over here in the daily, you know, we can see the Dixie being really nice and weak. Hoping for new lows, sub 90. And yeah, why is that important? 2017 crypto bull market, of course. Bitcoin over here, quite the drop. We can look for some supports, of course. Place some horizontals. So over here is the first one, basically 42, 45 kinda. We'll play it on the candle closes on the daily. And I mean, 45 seems, I mean, I have kind of a feeling we might visit it there or front run it. Not sure if the low is in yet. We have this one, and I really would like the daily to close above 50k today. That is basically a big level. And then we have all these, of course. VBVR playing a big role as well. We can see it over here. That will basically be our resistance on the way up. Right here until 53.5. We have a little bit of a gap, and I mean, we can short squeeze it easily to this area, 40 or like 54k, and this is basically where we will spend some time in between, I think. And of course, you know, the recent low of over here, you know, basically 48k. I think we will play some time in here. Fundings are low, getting low, premiums are getting low as well, and that's exactly what we need. We're having a cool off. Broke some big trend lines, of course. I mean, this one you can see with your bare eye. Do we have one from here as well? No, not really. Of course, we see this one as well. Do I see anything else? Trend lines on a higher time frame. Let's draw this one. This one fit nicely. Not really, I think. Anyway, that is the current case, and I think we will have some sideways action. And it's now about finding support, finding a bottom to move back up. Yesterday, it was really easy. Yesterday morning, European time, it was easy money to long. All the rest, like all the, I don't know, how do you call it? The stuff from Biden's perfect comments, you know, was already done. All the damage was done, and of course now, you know, you can see a bit of a falling wedge in it, a really big one. And like I said, you know, 45k is the place we really need to hold. If you break 45k, bear market might be over. So this is how I am looking at stuff, and this high basically. So yeah, I expect some sideways action in there. Tomorrow evening, Sunday, open for the ES1 futures. That is when I will start trading again, hard, and yeah. I mean, you can even see a little bit of a wedge in it forming right now on a lower time frame. We're on the 5 minutes now, and you can see something like this forming. Could be continuation. If fundings go very low and premiums go very low, it might give fuel for a retest up to this level over here. We have these lows here as well. Maybe I'm talking too much, but then I would say play up to 53k-ish. Ethereum we had quite simple. This is what I'm seeing for Ethereum. Staying between those lines, and of course, you know, we have big horizontal supports. One of them is that one. But Ethereum is very high as well. Ethereum BTC, do we see something over here? I'm seeing a little bit of a wedge forming. Something like this. Going a bit low. Bit weakish on a smaller time frame. Let us go over here. I mean, they should bounce from here basically. I mean, these are the lines. This is my target still. Supports over there, and basically this is what I'm looking at. This being the target over here for Ethereum BTC. Can come down for a retest. Nothing much to worry about. Litecoin is low, of course. I mean, Bitcoin did that nasty stuff. A little bit steeper. Something I really do not like for Litecoin over here. Of course, you know, everything correlates with Bitcoin at this moment. Do we see other supports? Yes, of course, we have this high over here. This level over here, right around it now. And target remains $400. Not too worrying. Looking kind of good. LTC, BTC. I removed all the charts, so I have to draw everything again, you know. But LTC, BTC is still looking good over here. Did a couple retests. Must make new highs now. Basically above these ones. Until then, you know, it is go time. Solana, Bitcoin weakness, Solana pumps. Today a big day up again for Solana. The 1 hour, last hour I think. Yeah, last hour. Big push for Solana. Something like this. Break this high and they will go to $50 real quick. A few days ago I said $50 already, and yeah, it's coming, you know. Zoom out and yeah, you know why it is such an easy target for Solana. $50 easily, pretty soon. Weird thing about Solana is it is strong when Bitcoin is weak. Makes me think Sam of FTX is pumping it or something. Because Solana is very strong. Link, having a look at Link, go to the daily, and Link is something I do not really like at the moment. Looking way too weak in my opinion. This one, of course, over here, broke it on the daily, and today a big red day. So I will not look at Link for a trade. We'll chart it real quick, you know. This is a very important level for Link. You can see it in the VPVR as well. Supports, I would say, is low over there, but that's still a long way ago. Could be a bounce moment over here for Link. Should not break these lows over there. If it breaks these lows, get out for now. Could be a little bit buy opportunity. Maybe target a bearish retest of this breakdown over here, which is long here from 32 till 35. Basically, Link BTC is not looking that bad as 4 hour, but it's not looking that bad. Link needs to break these highs over here. Simple as that. Some supports, I would say. Yeah, this one. So yeah, can do sideways, you know, making new lows over here. You get out, especially these lows, you know. This is basically exit territory. But I expect them to stay between here, you know, long here, sell there. Looking at Doge. Doge made this nice push up. I had these charts in still from yesterday. Doge is looking good. will probably continue to the upside. Broke this very important trend line over here. I do not know what the fundings and premiums look like, but Doge is looking good here. Targets, you know, we can just make a ladder. First one would be this one over there. I'm just doing some naked analysis on altcoins, you know, that always works. Wouldn't long it to the all-time high, but for now, a small play to 0.33 is very much possible. Doge BTC probably looks good as well. Daily, well, whoa. Let's go to the hourly. Same kind of action, you know. Broke this trend line and made this pop up right to this area over here, the important area, I would say. Making a little bit of a bull flag now, looking good. Expecting them to break up. Bull flag like this. Sorry, bull pennant. Break this high. Break that high. Yeah, and over here, you know, like it can go to the highs again if it gets above here. Take a quick look at Zilliqa. Weakness is what I see. I wouldn't like to play this one. Could make a higher low over here. If they break this low, you get out. You get out. I think they are making a higher low. Doesn't look great, but a higher low. Very important level here with these lows. Making a higher low right now. And what you want to do is, like this one got front ran over there. So this retest got front ran, but they really need to make a higher high over here. Take a look at the fundings. Let me refresh it. And that is actually looking... Oh, sorry, needed to refresh it. Fundings are flat, a little bit higher on others, but I usually look at Bybit and BitMEX. They're flat. They were very heavily negative, and I like them negative. But I mean, flat is fine as well. Liquidity is still to the upside, I think. And yeah, that is about it. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys like to see in my videos. And yeah, subscribe. See you guys again tomorrow.